Welcome back to my channel. I'm just going to go over the Ya Woman's rice water recipe. So basically the purpose of this recipe is so that you can have nice luxurious hair like the Ya Woman of China. So basically what I'm doing here is I'm adding 2 cups of rice to a strainer. After I've added the rice to a strainer, I am going to be rinsing it out just to take off any dirt or debris that might be on the rice itself to make sure that it's nice and clean. After I've rinsed the rice and cleaned it thoroughly, you then want to add it to a pot. You're going to add 6 cups of water. So for 2 cups of rice, you're going to add 6 cups of water to it. You're going to take a grapefruit skin peel. They use pomelo peels. However, grapefruit is the closest association that I have to the pomelos. So I'm adding that to the water. Then after that, I am stirring it just to make sure everything's mixed in. Then I'm letting it simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes so all the nutrients and everything can get out of the rice. As you can see, it's already darker in color after the 5 to 10 minutes. After that, you want to strain it into any large container. I'm just using a pouring glass because it's easier for me to transfer it later on, but you can put it in anything that you would like. So that's the glass that I'm using. After that, you want to add in any essential oil that you like just to give it a nice scent. I'm putting lavender. So I'm putting about 10 drops. After that, I'm putting a little strainer so that I can fill the glass jar. These glass jars you can get from Amazon. So they come with a spray top or a regular twist on top. So I'm going to put the twist on cap because after this, you want to let the rice water ferment for about 4 to 7 days prior to using it. So the top is placed on. I'm just shaking it to make sure everything's mixed in. And then afterwards you can add a spray bottle top so that way you can use it. So technically you can use it as a treatment, so leave it in your hair for 20 minutes, or you can use it after you have shampooed and conditioned. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.